Okay, here's a wee quick one for you. Miter saw. The blade bolt has been sheared off. Somebody has over tightened it and just sheared it off. How do you get the broken bit out from inside? It's actually not that hard. You need to remember that these here are actually a left hand thread. Sometimes when they go on, boys try to tighten them up instead of taking them out. Once they actually shear off, the force holding them is actually reduced. So sometimes you can just turn it. This one ain't coming out. So if it won't come out by hand, you've only got one option. Drill it out. Now you may think good luck with that, but you don't have to drill this out completely. A standard drill bit is right hand thread, this is left, so as this is drilling in, it's going to want to unscrew this here thread. So drilling in a little bit might even just take this out, and if it doesn't, put in a bigger bit. The bigger bit will then bite harder into this here bolt and unscrew it. Just try to get it centered while you're doing this. Not very well centered, but it's gone in. Right, that one's not budging up, so we'll go to a bigger one. Going from a small hole to a big hole, should hopefully get this to bite. Look at that. One sheared off bolt removed, which is a standard drill bit. Start off with a 3, then go up to a 5. A 5 will just bite into the shoulders, take a big bite and actually unscrew it. All you have to do then is replace the bolt with a new left hand thread M8 bolt. And luckily a lot of miter saws use the same one. There's only a cheap and cheerful brand. This one here is actually off a Makita saw, an LS 1013. My problem is it's a little bit long. I'll have to just cut the top of it off so it fits inside. Just flatten that cut end with a file, put a little chamfer on it, and that'll go on no problem. That's her. That's how you remove a sheared off bolt that holds on your blade in your miter saw.